In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on airplane mode in Windows. So what you want to do first is to click on this Windows icon here that shows start. Click on it and then click on settings. If you cannot find settings here, just search for it here from the search bar, settings. Open your settings page, and once that is open, what you want to do next is to click on network and internet. So once you're here, you scroll down, click on airplane mode. Right now it's off, so all you just need to do is just toggle it on by clicking on this button. As you can see, my airplane mode is on currently, and if you want to turn it off, you can follow same process. Once you get here, you toggle it off. There's another way to go about it. If you want to turn on airplane mode, one thing you can also do is click here at the bottom right of your PC, and then from here you can just toggle airplane. Once this sign changes here, you can see this sign here showing an airplane, so this is to indicate that you are currently on airplane mode. If you want to take it off, you can just come here simply and click it again, and that is it. The airplane mode disappears. As you can see, that airplane icon has disappeared, and now we have the globe icon and the internet icon. So it has changed, and now we are back online. That is it. It's that simple and straightforward. If you found this video valuable, consider subscribing, like and share as well. Thank you, and see you in the next one.